Hello students, welcome back to Prakash CBSE. Today we will see exercise 8.4, question number Roman number 5, option number 3 and 4. So let's get into the questions. In the previous video we discussed first and second one. Now we will see third and fourth. So we know all the formulas. Let's recall or let's write here whatever formula we use. Tan theta is equal to, we know formula, sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta is equal to, we know formula, cos theta by sin theta. Okay, so let's take LHS part and we will prove the RHS part. So LHS side we can take here and apply tan theta cot theta formula here. Then you will get sin theta by cos theta divided by 1 minus cot theta formula, cos theta by sin theta. This plus is, just take plus here. Okay, and cot theta formula we know, cos theta by sin theta divided by 1 minus tan theta formula, sin theta by cos theta. Okay, let's take a denominator one and cross multiply. Here also cross multiply. Here it will be like that only, sin theta by cos theta divided by, if you do cross multiplication you will get sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta divided by, if you do your cross multiplication you will get cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta. Okay, now apply division of fraction rule, because here one fraction, here one more fraction is there. So you know division of fraction, there are two steps. Just apply that, then you will get sin theta by cos theta into sin theta by sin theta minus cos theta. If you apply this division of fraction it will come like that, plus here you have cos theta by sin theta into cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, now let's multiply this, then you will get sin square theta by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta plus cos square theta by sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, now see your sin theta minus cos theta, here we have cos theta minus sin theta. To change this we are going to multiply and divide with 1 minus. Okay, so here 1 minus divided by 1 more minus, we are going to multiply and divide with one negative symbol. If you multiply then you will get sin square theta by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Here plus into minus will become minus, so cos square theta by sin theta. When you multiply this minus, this sin will become plus and cos will become minus. Okay, when you multiply and divide with a negative symbol you will get this. Now see here, sin theta minus cos theta, this we can take common outside. So if you take 1 by sin theta minus cos theta outside, remaining you have there sin square theta by cos theta minus cos square theta by sin theta. If you take that common outside. Okay, now let's do cross multiplication again. If you do cross multiplication you will get here if you do a cross multiplication then you will get 1 by sin theta minus cos theta bracket of sin cube theta minus cos cube theta by sin theta cos theta you will get if you do cross multiplication. Okay, now here we can apply one identity, a cube minus b cube. So we have here a cube minus BQ formula, A plus B into A square plus AB plus B square. Sorry, here minus. Okay, A cube minus B cube formula, this is A minus B. If you apply formula, then you will get 1 by sin theta minus cos theta bracket of A minus B. So A minus B, sin theta minus cos theta into A square. A square means sin square theta plus AB means sin theta cos theta plus B square means cos square theta, whole divided by you have your sin theta into cos theta. Let's close the bracket. Now see here, sin theta minus cos theta, this we can cancel. Remaining sin square theta cos square theta you can write in order. Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta cos theta by you have your sin theta cos theta. We know by one identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That is using one identity. Then you will get 1 plus sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. If you split this denominator for both the terms, you will get 1 by sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. This if you cancel, you will get remaining 1 there. So 1 plus 1 by sin theta cos theta. This division you can split further for the two terms. Then you will get 1 plus 1 by sin theta into 1 by cos theta. We know reciprocal formulas. 1 by sin equal to, we know, cosecant theta, and 1 by cos theta equal to, we know, 1 by secant theta. Sorry, not 1 by secant, you will get secant theta. So instead of this we can apply directly this. Then 1 plus 1 by sin you can write cosecant theta into 1 by cos you can write secant theta. Hence LHS equal to RHS. Sorry, this is not visible, I think. If any doubt, you can ask me in the WhatsApp group or in the comment section. Hope that you understand this. Let's move to the next question. Let's see the question number 4. So we have 1 plus secant A by secant A is equal to sin square A by 1 minus cos A. But here one hint is given. Hint: simplify LHS and RHS separately. So here we cannot take LHS and we cannot prove RHS. So both you have to prove. Okay. So first let's take the LHS side. Then we can take RHS side. So LHS side, let's take 1 plus secant A by secant A. Okay. So we have a reciprocal formula here. Secant theta is equal to reciprocal formula 1 by cos theta. Let's apply that. Then you will get 1 plus 1 by cos theta divided by 1 by cos theta. Let's cross multiply here. Then you will get cos theta plus 1 by cos theta 1 by cos theta. Let's apply division of fraction here. Then you will get cos theta plus 1 by cos theta into cos theta by 1. Cos theta we can cancel. So remaining cos theta plus 1 is the remaining. Okay. Now let's take RHS. RHS we have there sin square A by 1 minus cos A. So we have one identity, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. If you want sin square, this we can take opposite. Then sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So let's apply instead of sine square 1 minus cos square. Okay, then if you apply 1 minus cos square theta, sorry, it's a by 1 minus cos a. 1 can be written as 1 into 1 means 1 square, because 1 square value again will get 1 only. Okay, then 1 can be written as 1 square minus cos square a by 1 minus cos a. Here we can use one identity, a square minus b square, formula a plus b into a minus b. So when you apply that, you will get 1 minus cos a into 1 plus cos a by 1 minus cos a. 1 minus cos a, 1 minus a, cos cancel, remaining 1 plus cos a. Hence RHS answer. Now you see LHS and RHS both are equal. So LHS is equal to RHS, and proved. This is 1 cos theta cos a plus 1, or this can be written as 1 plus cos a. See, both also same, so that LHS equal to RHS. Hope that you understand this. If any doubt, please put it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. We will see remaining in the next video.